Stop the washing machine! Guys, if you recently chopped your hair short or you've always had short hairs and you're wondering how to style them, then this is the right video. You can literally change your whole look without growing your hairs. Magic. But not really. Tanisha Rathod. I hope you guys are doing really well, and for more fun, self-love and styling videos, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and FYI, I have decided to give shout out to 2 people every Saturday. All you have to do is comment down below along with your Instagram ID and you can get the shout out. Also guys, I've recently started being really active on YouTube, and I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, for commenting down below, for supporting me so much, and keep supporting me just like that, and you will be served with a lot of videos in the future. Short disclaimer guys, all of the hairstyles that I'm doing today is applicable for mid-length and long-length hairs as well, but your sis just had this much, so we have to work with this much. Yeah, actually I recently chopped down my hair like almost a month ago. I had like my hair till the waistline, and yeah, it was pretty long. I just wanted to change my style. I just wanted to get a new look. I get bored very easily. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, that's my story, and I've been exploring a lot of hairstyles for short hair recently, and I thought to share it with you guys. Watch it till the end and comment down below which one is the one that you would love to try out.
Let's start with something really simple. We'll just make a middle part and add a clip on one side. If you like it, you can also add the clips on both the sides very close to the partition for a very cute look. And this is it. Let's hop on to the next one. So for this next hairstyle, I'm going to use this white hairband. I'm going to put this hairband, and I'm not going to drag it like way behind. I'm just going to put it like a little bit in front. Let's adjust the hair. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the straightener to curl up the ends inward. So when I'm going to curl them inwards, it gives a very 90s tennis player look to the hairstyle. Guys, my hairs are already very straight, so I'm just roughly using my fingers to curl them inside. You can definitely go for using a comb, or you can also curl them up in partitions. Like, just look at the difference between the curled one and the straight one. You can always go for the straight look as well, but this gives an extra oomph to it, and obviously this hairstyle is so on hype on Instagram right now. So finally, this is the final look. It looks so cute, the curls and that hairband. For the next one, we'll start with a middle partition. I'll take out a little bit hair from in front of the ears, and to give a little bit framing to it, I'm going to make a half bun. I'll use a black rubber band. Let me show you from behind. I'll just put the rubber band on, and then for the second turn, I am just going to take half of it and make a half bun just like this and spread it out. We'll just mess it up a little bit from the sides. And then we're also going to mess up a little bit hair on the top. We don't want a very finished look. And now it's done. It's very super cool and very fast. For the next one, we'll again start with the middle partition. I'm going to make it like very sleek, and we'll take all the hair back. I'm going to fix it a little bit with my hair, and now I'm going to use this scrunchie and make a bun. Though my hair are like very small right now, we can also add some modification by taking out some hair in front of the ears, so it gives some framing to your face. And we can give a second modification by taking out some hair in the front and then just straightening up and leaving it just like that. And here you go. So effortless way to look chic. For the next one, I'm going to leave a little partition in the front, and then I'll take the rest of the hair up in a ponytail. I'm simply using my fingers to make it look a little bit rough. And now I'm going to take a scrunchie and oops. Great, Tanisha. Now we're going to do it. And, Guys, I know I don't leave any chance to crack you up, but this is the final look. It looks very cute and simple and very, very fast. Guys, if you feel like a scrunchie is too much on the top, you can just go for a simple black rubber band as well. This looks cute as well. For this one is a modification of the previous one. We are just going to curl all of these hair up. I'm just going to hold it like this and then leave it. Got such a cute curl. And now I'm going to just squeeze and hold it like this to make it prominent. And now I'm going to do the same for all the hairs. Guys, we're just going to do this only for the pony and not all of the hair. I just want the effect to be in the pony itself. Guys, here I'm taking more quantity of hair all at once because I don't want like really tiny and thin curls. I just want a little bit bounce on the pony. So we are going to do it like this. Also guys, I'm not going to make like really tight curls because I don't want my hairs to stick on the top itself. We're just going to hold it for just like about for 5 to 6 seconds and then hold it and leave. Okay, so we're done with here. We're just going to squeeze and hold it in so that it doesn't lose the form. Now I'm going to also give a little bit curl to these hairs, like just a little bit and not a full curl, just a wave so that it matches with the pony. Don't mind my face. And we are done with this. Now I'm going to take a little bit hair from the back and I'm going to fold it around the rubber band so that it gives a neat and tidy look. And now I will secure it with this clip. And this is done. Look at the cute bounce.
Finally guys, this is a wrap up and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found it useful. Do comment down below some suggestions for the upcoming videos and also the style that you like the most. See you until next time. Like, share and subscribe. Ta-ta, bye-bye.